Hello again everybody, it's Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech. I've got a little video for you. It's going to be a short one this, and it's going to be something a bit different for me. I'm going to do an unboxing for you. I've literally just had this arrive about 10-15 minutes ago. So I'm going to do the unboxing. That's all I'm doing today. I'm just going to show you the guitar. It's a Harley Benton from Toman. Had a little bit of money left over from Christmas and my birthday, so I thought I'd treat myself. So I'm just going to do the unboxing and show you the guitar today, and then maybe in the next week or two, if I find time, I'll let you hear it. I am anticipating it being a Harley Benton. I'll probably have a bit of work to do on it, but you never know. Sometimes they're perfect, sometimes they're not. So let's open it up and have a look. As ever, the packaging is very, very good from Toman. I ordered this about 4 or 5 days ago, and it's made its way to Sheffield from Germany, so very fast delivery time. I also ordered some new bone nut blanks while I was ordering, forgot about those. And there's the guitar. Okay, let's see what we have. Got the whammy bar and a cheap guitar lead. And some Allen keys for the truss rod and saddles. The headstock looks nice. There's the guitar. I've actually forgot what model this is. But I'll leave a link in the description below what model it is. It looks very nice. It's a more modern style of guitar. It's got a Floyd Rose tremolo system on it. Really nice colour. Looks pretty cool with the gold hardware. Dual humbuckers. No coil tapping. 3-way switch. And I'll just put my glasses on to have a good look round it. Look for any flaws in the finish. Got one tiny little mark there that will probably polish out. Looks like a very small ding. Other than that, I can't really see anything else. Nothing jumping out at me. Another tiny little mark there. I really don't know how Harley Benton do it for the money. Paid £125 for this. £125 for a brand new guitar with a Floyd Rose and a locking nut on it. Staggering value, and it looks to be in really nice condition. Not a million miles out of tune either. So that's all I'm doing for today. I just wanted to show you the guitar. Like I said, I've completely forgot what they call this guitar, what their name is for it, and it just says Progressive Series on the headstock. But I will leave a link in the description below. It does actually look a really nice guitar. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be. It's probably as heavy as this vintage Strat here. But yeah, that all looks pretty fabulous. So £125 from Thomann in Germany, Harley Benton. Really like the look of that. I just hope it plays and sounds as good. The frets are actually quite nice as well. I can't feel any sharp edges there. As ever, the fretboard looks a little bit dry, so it's going to want some conditioning. The frets don't look very shiny, so I think I'll polish those up. And then when I've got some more time on my hands, I'll let you hear how the guitar sounds. So there we go. That's all from me today. As I pointed out in the last video I made, I'm currently looking after my wife who's quite ill. So I'm not putting as many videos up as I used to do, but hopefully she'll get better over time and normal service will be resumed. But that's all from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one where we'll have a listen at this. Well, thanks again for watching the channel. And if you do like this kind of content, please do like, comment, share, and remember, subscribe to the channel. That helps me out. If you do subscribe, remember, click the little bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. But thank you all again.